The OMorc mechanical keyboard is a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard that I bought for £20. I've been using this keyboard for the last 2 weeks, and here is my thoughts. The OMorc mechanical keyboard uses some MX Blue clones switches, so they are loud and clicky and great to type on. I don't have another MX Blue switch like an actual Cherry switch keyboard to compare it to. However, I can compare it to my last membrane keyboard, the Logitech K120, and it just feels so much better. Gaming on the keyboard as well is pretty damn good. It's not as good as like a red switch since there is quite a bit of key travel, but again, compared to a membrane keyboard, so much better. The keyboard has never missed a keystroke since I've been using it, and the keys do have some inconsistency in sound when coming from the center to the edge of the keyboard, but this does not affect the feel of the keys, but I still love the sound of the keyboard. Here's a quick sound test now. There is no backlight on this keyboard, but for a little bit more you can get a mechanical keyboards with a backlight. The build quality is okay. The base of the keyboard is mostly metal, giving it a heavy but durable feel without any flex. The keyboard also has feet to stand up the keyboard. However, the keycaps are a bit of a mixed bag for me, since they are quite smooth, but that didn't really affect my typing speed. However, some reviewers said they had problems with the letters on the keycaps fading, and the cable isn't braided as well, or removable. It's quite thick and it probably won't break anytime soon. The keyboard also has function keys, like volume and media keys on the keyboard, including locking the start button and locking the entire keyboard. However, I did have problems with the media keys on my keyboard not working. They just don't do anything. I press FN, in Spotify they don't do anything, in YouTube they don't do anything, VLC they don't do anything. They just don't work on my computer. They might work in your computer, but they're not working in mine. However, in conclusion, I really like this keyboard. It's cheap, it's cheerful, it doesn't have the gaming look of every other mechanical keyboard out there, so I give it a pass. Anyway, I recommend this keyboard, so thank you for watching and subscribe.